If you're interested in an interactive tool with real-time answers, I would recommend using Polleverywhere. It can be found at polleverywhere.com. First-time users will need to sign up. There are various plans offered, although there is a free plan that allows 40 responses per poll. That's the one that I use. After signing in, go to the login page to log in, right here. This page includes polls that you currently have active. From this page, you can also build interactive slides by downloading software from PowerPoint or Keynote or Google Slides. For this presentation, I will show you how to create polls from the website. First, click the red button that says Create. There are different forms of polling that can be done. The multiple choice shows as a bar graph. As the students are giving their answers, the bar graph will grow or shrink. The word cloud is a good way to give one-word answers. These words pop up on the screen and randomly are put into the word cloud. The question and answer will allow the audience to submit responses and then vote on the other audience submissions. Rank order allows the audience to rank the provided options. The answers are then shown as a bar or a column graph. The clickable image questions allow the audience to click on an image to respond. The survey will allow the creation of different types of questions to complete a survey. And lastly, the open-ended question type allows the creator to post a question. The audience, in return, can post responses. The responses look like an ongoing wall of answers. Let me show you how to add some questions. The first question that I'll ask is an open-ended question. I like using these open-ended questions for the beginning of a lesson just to get some discussion going and some brainstorming of what we're getting ready to cover. So let me put in my question. Okay, so this question I put in, what does the word combustion mean? Then I would hit create, and that would create my first question. So the question goes up here at the very top. Now if I wanted to create another question, I can go to the plus sign over here. And the next question I'm going to add is a multiple choice question. So I'll click on the multiple choice, which is already clicked, and let me put in my question. Okay, so I put in my question, and then I need to add some answers down here in the bars. So here's the first answer. And I'll put a second answer. And then I need to add one more, so I'll hit the plus button. And here's my next answer. So again, I hit create, and that question will be ready. Okay, I'll add one more question. So I'm going to go up here to the plus sign again. This time, I'm going to do a clickable image question. So I need to upload an image, and I'm going to upload this fire triangle. Okay, and I'll put my question in. Okay, so what I can do with this clickable image then is I can go to each item that I might want to have the students click on. So right now I'll go to heat and I'll put a square over that. So students who think the answer might be heat would click this answer. And A1, region 1, would be for heat. Okay, then I can do another one. This one I'll put oxygen. So if they click anywhere around the oxygen, that's going to be region B, region 2. And the last one that I'll put in is for fuel. So if they click anywhere around the fuel, then that's going to be region 3. Okay, so then I can go and create this. And now I have my questions. Now over here, we can do some things with the way this looks. This right here, this brush, gives us some ways to change our color scheme because it defaults to the blue and the white, but I can go in here and I can change my color scheme to many different colors. I can change my font with this tab. I can change the color and the font itself and the size of the font. I can make my title a different color. I can make it transparent. I can add a logo, and I can also do a left, center, or right for my title. There's different ways to get the response. So I have different sizes and different colors of the responses. My background, I can add a color to my background, or if I wanted to choose an image, I can choose an image here. I can decide on how many clicks to receive, the number of votes. I can show percentages, and then I can also go to total results and show that on a chart. Now if I like this, I can go over here and I can go to configure. This is how people can respond. Okay, I usually have my students respond going to, they go to Polleverywhere, and when they sign up, or they don't have to sign up, when they go to Polleveryware, they are asked for a username, and my username would be Marcia Baum 340. So as long as my poll is active, then they can go here and then they can join in and participate with my poll. To make it active, all I have to do is hit this enter full screen mode, and the full screen mode makes my poll active. And then we're ready to begin.